Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Wallet and tapping the plus button. This starts the secure ad flow. Follow prompts to add a debit or credit card. You can scan it or enter numbers manually, and verify with your bank when asked. Once done, add transit cards or boarding passes the same way, because Wallet organizes all items for quick access. Make sure to enable Face ID or a passcode. This keeps payments and ID protected while letting you tap to pay in seconds. Now you configure each item so it works when you need it. You should set a default card in Settings Wallet and Apple Pay. That makes checkout faster. Next, enable Express Transit for your local transport card so you don't need Face ID every trip. Add membership and boarding passes and tap the info icon to set notifications and location-based alerts. Once done, reorder cards by dragging them. This lets you present the right card with a single swipe at checkout. Finish by practicing the payment flow so it becomes natural. Double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or passcode, then hold your iPhone near the contactless reader. If a payment is declined, make sure your device has a network connection and that the bank verification completed. Sometimes you must approve a code or app notification. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, check region settings, or contact your card issuer for authorization. This usually resolves remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.